It's a very interesting day to fish here. See, it's going to rain really, really hard. It seems. Not quite sure. Not 100% sure. But over there you can see heavy rain. This side is better, but the wind is coming to this way, so probably it will rain. Very heavy rain is coming. Over there, probably it's raining really, really hard. The friend here just caught a big fish. No idea what is this kind of fish. Let's see. Oh, seems it's a nice redfish, right?
Yeah, it's a red.
Wow, very nice. Great, great. Oh, more than. Okay, great. This is about a 30 inch, I guess. Or maybe more than 30 inch. Good job, guys. Probably big red. No idea what is this fish.
Yes.
Where's the fish? Here. Wow, this is a... Oh, okay, it's over there. Almost there. Great! Just got a nice flounder here. Just got a Spanish mackerel. Finally, I also caught a big red. Let's see what's the size. Go ahead, sir. Let's measure it. What is it? 29 inch. Great. Thanks a lot.